Hi there, Reynaldo here from Enlightened Super Trader Education. Welcome to the weekly market update. And just a quick reminder that the trade assessment workshop that's free, which is a whole day trading event for tomorrow, is actually sold out. So the next one will be sometime in November. There's 13 seats left for the online version, which is this coming Friday, October 18th from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So yeah, just to update you that the online version is still available, but the Trader Dojo version in the office is actually sold out. All right, let's go through and have a look at the markets today. So last week, I basically stated that if I go through just to show it to you, um, so basically stated last week in part of my report that the markets are about there for the buying. So if you listen to my report last week, then I explained fully on why it is actually ready for the buying. So it did that this week. Notice how from where it reached a level of demand and the bulls basically took over. Now the odds and probability that it will continue to go through now, the next price to beat is within this high right here, that 15,709. So there's a range of area supply between 15,658, 15,700. If it breaks through 15,709, it will create a new higher high. Based on calculations, I believe the calculations around 16,000. 16,200 will be the next target point on where the price is going to be. Of course, one of the biggest basically news of what's currently happening for the past how many days is simply the government shutdown. So there's less than 72 hours in order for the government to make a decision based on the debt ceiling. But nevertheless, here it is when it reached that good level of demand. At the same time, here created an error. Now, part of my caveat as well from my last report is simply that if you break to 14,551, then there's going to be a new change of trend. So at this point in time, it's still within the criteria of a new or continuation of the uptrend. And if I'm going also to look as part of our retracement levels, then 38, 50, 62%, which is also a really good supply at this point in time. Right here, then 15,340. It's not long to go, just only about 40 points to the upside. Can they break that? Absolutely. Well, at the very beginning today, part of the news pretty much over the weekend, futures price was was on a negative, opened negatively at the opening, and then they pushed the price all the way back up, ending up 0.4% basically today. So looking at the price at this point in time, 15,340, what they're gonna do during when they're going to make a decision will be up to the markets at this point in time. So there could be a slight correction before a continuation. They could do that, but overall, based on the bigger scale of things, then I'm still very bullish with the markets itself. Of course, this is the Dow Jones Industrial 30, but if we look at the S&P 500, it's actually really powerful, really strong at this point in time. So, and if let me have a quick look, actually very briefly. And just to show it to you, based on the S&P, notice how we have a higher low, have higher highs, higher lows, probability to break through the 1730 to go through 1740 and above is highly probable at this point in time. Okay, so this is my report for today. At the same time, test our trade alerts, that has been performing. The only way for you to really experience it is you being part of it. I'm actually offering a 10-day free trial to the trade alerts, also to come into the Trader Dojo that's happening basically in the office in San Jose or online. So just click on it, go to our website, free 10-day trial, have a look. There's no gimmicks. If you like it, great. If you don't like it, then so be it. That's my philosophy. It's a martial arts philosophy. Either you do it or you don't. Plain and simple, right? So give it a go, give it a shot. Worst case scenario is you don't lose anything because it's free anyway, right? All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care until next time. Happy trading, and just be careful of your trades, basically, if you're a short-term type of trader. Alright guys, take care. Bye.